Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on a HP OfficeJet 8015e. Now this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen here. Now my printer is already set to English, and presumably you're watching this video because you want yours to be too. But if you follow the steps I'm taking here, a lot are easy to identify regardless of the language due to icons or their position in the list. So I'll describe them as best as I can as I go through to help take you through this. So, first of all, you're going to want to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this, with the cog on the right hand side. If you're not already here, you just press the home button, which is invisible, but it's right there if you're on any other menu. Once you're here, you press the cog to go into setup, and then you want to go into preferences, which is actually the very top option in the setup menu. Nice and easy to find. Press to go into that. And then language is the second option down. So we press to go into that. And here you have a nice little draggable list of all the different languages your printer can be used in. If we take a quick look, English is the very top option. So if you're looking to change it to English in particular, you can just drag it till you're right at the top of the menu. To find it, click in, yes to confirm, and away you go. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else I can help with, please do let me know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.